Tegan, what are you doing here?
Well, it was about an hour after you left when I realized something. I could really use an adventure.
You want to come with us?
Yeah, guess I do.
How'd you find us?
Oh, I was a bloodhound in another life. That and when a horse and carriage zip by spewing flames, people tend to remember.
Well, excuse me for shaving half a day off our trip.
Why do you want to come, Tegan?
Because I miss this face. And because I want to help.
It'll be dangerous.
What, didn't I tell you? Dangerous is my middle name. Well, okay, it's Miranda, but it's a loose translation. Plus, I can help you locate Dom.
And how will you do that?
He's been tailing me for days. The man is persistent, I'll give him that.
Shit.